Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're at the Fed Brewery and we're going to Comic-Con.
I know that. I thought it'd be more. I mean, not very, but no.
In the industry is so great for character development. You know, you meet so many actors that have just lived within that industry their whole life. So it helps in two ways. It helps in giving you an extra input between acting jobs. You know, the equity in the acting is worth every time. Being less than 2. And then once you've done your trade, you go to drama school, then learn over that and you embody that for the next thing that works for that character.
Thank you very much. Do we have any more questions?
And no, I'm not thinking. Con, I'm practicing. Yeah, I'm about to do that now. I'm going.
Can we have a round of applause for Women's Day, please?
Thank you guys.
More pins, Chris.
Win a prize. At that point, I will ask you in an Anton Saturday night takeaway kind of way, would you like to stay or play? Allowing another contestant on. Or you will choose play and continue If you get a single question wrong, fine. I think, yeah. New rule, lifeline. You can phone one friend each person.
As you can see, there's lots of cosplay going on. Some very good ones.
True or false? Silver Surfer is a part of Marvel. It's your turn, it's your turn.
I'm quitting.
He's great, he's gone. Thank you so much.
So there you have it. That was Comic-Con at the Fed here in Gateshead. I hope you got your geek on. I get your geek on. I get your geek on. I get your geek on. That's supposed to be freak. Anywho, see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.